I'm in Scotland. Come for some Aggies and some neeps. Took the bike out on a bit of a shakedown run. I need to move that over here where it used to be. Oh, so you're not even going left. So, more of a reason to have your indicators on. There is still quite a bit of noise in the helmet, wind swirling and stuff, which there's nothing I can really do. This is mainly to test the microphone and how much crap it picks up. So when I can open her up, I will open the visor as well and see how that tests. So yeah, I did this last night and bench tested it. When I say bench test, I sat in my bedroom and with my laptop and on and off with my helmet, and I realised level 1 I think was too low. So I'm going to try level 2, hopefully it's not clipping out. Hopefully level 3 is not clipping. Well, I don't want to hit level 3 to be honest. It's more likely to clip out on other things. Hopefully it picks up my voice okay. That's how I check if my headlight's on, you know, stick my hand in front of it. I'm probably meant to have another little bulb to say high and low, but passed its MOT like that, so. Haven't had a chance to open it up. It's still cold to be honest as well. Look at all that flooding there. They've only just done these drains and it's still flooding up on the sides. Apparently it was really bad at 5:30 this morning. Well, this is as best as I'm going to get for now, so there's with a bit of visor open, obviously increased wind noise. No, well, in the helmet, if it picks it up or not, I don't know, hopefully not, because this is generally how I ride. That's on Tigala. Bad thing about this time of day is you can't get a chance to open it up very often on this short run. So, at night, oh, microphone's at level 1 now, oh, I'll test it. At night, tinted, like mirrored visor, down, can't see fuck all. I can see the lights, it'll do, I know this road. if someone's on the side of the road and jumps out, I'm not going to see him, but hey.